How to add a link in résumé in Canva. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and on this video I will guide you how you can add a link on your résumé in Canva. So without further delay, let's get started. So if you're on this Canva editing page now, if you want to add a link in your résumé, then first of all you have to enter the text box. Click on this text right here, then click on add a text box. Now once this text box has been added, you could simply drag this text box and place it at the top right here, and under this I'll just type in my portfolio. So once I have this text box right here, if you want to add a link to your portfolio, you have to navigate to this text box, click on this three dot here, then here you have to click on link. Now you can add a link to your portfolio. Copy the link from your portfolio and then paste the link here. But for now, just for the demo, I will just add the Facebook link right here. Once you're done entering the link, click on done. Now the link has been added in this text box right here. And if you hover your mouse over there and click on it, and if you click on this link here, that's gonna redirect you to the link. Now once you're done adding link in your résumé, while downloading, click on the share button and click on download, and make sure that you have selected the PDF format, not any of the PNG or JPG format. So from here select the PDF standard. After that, once you open up your PDF, you will be redirected to the link when you click on this link on your résumé. So that's it. That's how you can add a link on your résumé in Canva, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.